Hello, my fellow content creators. It's great to have you back on our channel where we explore various aspects of the digital world. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing, which has been gaining enormous popularity in recent years. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms. But not all affiliate programs are created equal, and to succeed in this field, you need to find the right program that aligns with your niche and target audience. So, in this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you identify the best affiliate programs to join. So, grab your notepads and get ready to learn some valuable insights. 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It involves promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. As an affiliate, you can leverage your platform, audience, and content to promote products that are relevant to your niche. The commission you earn can vary based on the product or service being promoted, but it's typically a percentage of the sale price. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation for both parties involved. As an affiliate, you get to monetize your content and earn passive income without having to create your products. On the other hand, the merchant gets increased sales through your promotion efforts without having to spend money on advertising. It's a mutually beneficial relationship that has the potential to generate significant revenue for both parties. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to have a solid understanding of your audience and the products you're promoting. It's important to choose products that align with your brand and provide value to your audience. You also need to have an effective promotion strategy that includes creating engaging content, building relationships with your audience, and utilizing various marketing channels to reach a wider audience. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and sustainable source of income for content creators and influencers. 2. Benefits of joining affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals and businesses to earn a steady passive income without the hassle of handling inventory or customer service. By partnering with reputable brands and promoting their products, affiliate marketers can earn a commission for each sale made through their unique referral link. This commission can range from a few percent to a significant portion of the sale price, depending on the product and the agreement with the brand. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is the opportunity to diversify your revenue streams and expand your online presence. As an affiliate marketer, you can choose from a wide range of products and services to promote, including physical products, digital downloads, subscription-based services, and more. This allows you to cater to a wide variety of audiences and niche markets, providing you with the flexibility to choose products that align with your interests and expertise. Moreover, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of income if you have the right strategy in place. Successful affiliate marketers are skilled at identifying high-converting products and services, creating engaging content that resonates with their audience, and promoting products in a way that doesn't come across as too sleazy or pushy. By building trust with your audience and providing value through your content, you can establish yourself as a credible authority in your niche and attract a loyal following that's eager to purchase products through your referral link. In summary, affiliate marketing can be a highly profitable and rewarding venture for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to build a successful business. With the right approach and a commitment to providing value to your audience, you can create a sustainable passive income stream that can provide financial freedom and flexibility for years to come. 3. How to find the right affiliate programs. When it comes to finding the right affiliate programs to join, it's important to start by identifying your niche and target audience. This means understanding the type of content you create and the audience you are trying to reach. Once you have a clear understanding of your niche and target audience, you can then start looking for products or services that align with your content and resonate with your viewers. One of the best ways to find affiliate programs is by researching different affiliate networks. There are several popular affiliate networks to choose from, such as ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates. These platforms work by connecting you with a wide range of brands and products to promote. You can browse through the different categories and niches to find products that align with your content and audience. It's also important to do your research on the affiliate programs you are interested in. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, have a good reputation, and provide the necessary support and resources to help you succeed. You may also want to consider the level of competition within the niche and the overall demand for the products or services you will be promoting. By taking the time to find the right affiliate programs for your niche and audience, you can increase your chances of success and generate more revenue through your affiliate marketing efforts. 4. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. If you're looking to succeed in affiliate marketing, it's vital to focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. You need to ensure that your content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. It's also crucial to be transparent about your affiliate partnerships and disclose your affiliate links to your audience. This will help build trust with your audience and ensure that you're not misleading them in any way. Another crucial aspect of affiliate marketing is promoting products that you genuinely believe in. Don't just promote products for the sake of earning a commission. Instead, take the time to research and test the products that you're promoting. This will help ensure that you're promoting products that are of high quality and provide value to your audience. Finally, tracking your performance using analytics tools is essential if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. These tools will help you analyze your traffic, conversion rates, and other key metrics. This, in turn, will enable you to optimize your strategies, improve your performance, and maximize your earnings. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the highly competitive world of affiliate marketing. Conclusion. In this video, we've provided you with a detailed and comprehensive guide to help you find the best affiliate programs that align with your brand and audience. If you're looking for more resources and updates about this topic, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. We aim to provide you with the most helpful and informative content, so if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on affiliate marketing. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.